This shows before and after the use of fertigation to deliver water conservation materials. This is an inland homeowner association, and temperatures can climb in the summertime to over 100 degrees. And the type of turf grass here is Kentucky bluegrass, about 30%, 70% perennial rye.
Question on that. Is bluegrass pretty commonly used in California?
It is. It has obviously some disadvantages. Being a cool season grass in a hot desert environment is not the best combination.
Right.
Cool season grasses grow taller and they do look more luxurious, but the downside is that without what we would consider excessive irrigation, the picture is indicative of drought stress. The association was being pressured by the city to reduce the amount of landscape irrigation water being used. So their options were to literally take out all of their turf and replace it with a xeriscape, which is basically rocks and cacti, or finding a way to reduce the same water consumption by using fertigation. And so they installed two fertigation systems. They had 2 points of connection, and they irrigated almost daily in the summer, very low amounts of nitrogen to replace damaged plant material. In other words, to get it to grow, but primarily water conservation material that was applied to the soil to capture and absorb and water that was applied and to keep it from leaching past the root zone or evaporating into the air. The picture on the right is indicative of a 50% reduction in the water that was applied to landscapes because of water conservation materials.
So just to make sure I understand, on the left side, they were applying twice as much water.
Yes. This was not overseeded, by the way. This lawn came back because it was able to grow back from rootstock.
Do you remember the time frame between the first and the second photo?
Most of these are about a 4-week time spread.
Okay. Wow.